Hi everyone, today we are going to show you how I use the binding press that we are making. And we did produce this binding press just because the ones I found on the market, they are not very practical. For an example, they are mostly made out of bamboo, and the nuts and bolts, when you try to tighten up, they don't have the washer right here, so they go as you tighten up the bolt. So the nuts go inside the wood and it starts to damage the wood. So this one that we developed have a washer, and it protects from going into the wood as you tighten up your screws. And also, something that is very practical, you have different distances that you can actually use on your press. See, it's very practical. And this is not actually bamboo, this is actually real wood. So today I'm going to bind a few notebooks that I already have here pre-aligned. I like to clip them with this clamp right here so they don't move or anything like that. And this one I actually prefer because it is straight, so it leaves some space for your notebooks to be on the outside, so you can align them and straighten up as much as you want. And on this little bunch that I have right here, I have 200 pages. So, but you can actually do up to 400, like easy. So just so you guys see how our press works. It's super simple, super easy to use, and actually super sturdy. This is the process I use to bind them with glue. And it's really practical as well. It's very cost effective. It doesn't take long. So see how secure it is. And on the other side, you still have here half of your book out if you want to realign it or if you want to do anything else. See? But mine's are pretty aligned just because I did clump them and pre-align them before. Then now that everything is pretty secure right here, I do have my glue right here, and all that we are going to do is brush it off right there. Something that I do recommend is to kind of like, you get a very fine sandpaper and you sand this portion over here of your paper just so the glue kind of adheres better to it. But I had done that already, so that's why I'm not doing in this video. So I gave a first coat right there. Then usually I have more than one press to use where I do several, because while I'm doing another one, this one is already drying. It dries pretty quick, and then I'll grab the other one and brush it off, and then I'll come back to this one. So everything goes really quick, but this is just a quick demonstration of how the press works and how it's much sturdier than the ones that you can find in the market, since most of them are made out of bamboo. And as time goes, especially when they're this thin, what happens is the more pressure you put it on your bolts to put pressure on your pad, what happens is, because it is bamboo, it kind of like bows over it. It deforms the press. It's not sturdy. So this being this thick of a hardwood, and it's much more sturdy, especially because of this washers right here. It's putting pressure evenly on the wood. It's not, the nuts and the bolts are not going into the wood and making any damage to the wood. look, really well made. And I think the feature that I like the most is the fact that you can change your distance. So for an example, if I want to do two sets of notepads at once, I just needed to move my screws over here to this, and it fits too easy peasy. So let me know guys what you think of it, and if you do like it, if you want one, you can grab one for you on my Etsy shop or on my Amazon shop. Okay, till next time.
Held high, I've got everything I need and more. Today the blessings fill the sky. I breathe it in, I let it flow. I trust the grace that I've been shown. Today will be amazing, I can feel it in my bones. Today will be amazing. They're already here. I release all doubt and I release all fear. This is my moment, this is my time. Everything is working out just fine. Today